enthusiasts, and welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your one-stop channel for everything exterior design. Today, we're venturing outdoors to explore a culinary and social haven, the outdoor kitchen featuring a majestic pizza oven. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An outdoor kitchen decorated with a pizza oven goes beyond mere functionality. It's a curated space designed to elevate your backyard experience. It's a place to gather with loved ones, create lasting memories, and of course, indulge in the delicious world of wood-fired pizzas. The decor surrounding your pizza oven sets the stage for this delightful experience. There are numerous advantages to incorporating a pizza oven into your outdoor kitchen decor. Here are a few key benefits of an outdoor kitchen decorated with a pizza oven to consider. First, enhanced entertaining. Your backyard becomes the ultimate gathering spot. Impress your guests with an immersive culinary experience they won't forget. Second, extended living space. Expand your living area outdoors, allowing for year-round enjoyment, of course, depending on your climate. Third, culinary creativity. Unleash your inner pizzaiolo. Experiment with gourmet pizzas, breads, and even roasted vegetables. Fourth, increased home value. A well-designed outdoor kitchen with a pizza oven can become a significant selling point when it comes time to move. Choosing the best furniture for your outdoor kitchen with a pizza oven depends on several factors, including your design style, space limitations, and budget. Here's a breakdown of some key considerations. First, dining sets. A classic choice for larger spaces. Opt for weather-resistant materials like teak, aluminum, or wicker, with comfortable cushions for extended gatherings. Second, bar stools. Perfect for an island setup, offering casual seating and maximizing space. Consider swivel stools for added convenience. Third, lounge chairs and ottomans. Create a relaxation zone with comfy lounge chairs and ottomans. Choose weather-resistant materials with quick-drying cushions. Fourth, hammocks or swing chairs. For a touch of whimsy and relaxation, incorporate a hammock or swing chair. Ensure the structure is sturdy and weatherproof. Fifth, teak. A timeless choice, teak is naturally weather-resistant and develops a beautiful patina over time. Sixth, aluminum. Lightweight, affordable, and rust-proof, aluminum is great for modern or minimalist settings. Seventh, wicker. Wicker offers a casual, inviting vibe and pairs well with a variety of design styles. Opt for synthetic wicker for its superior durability outdoors. Eighth, concrete. For a contemporary touch, consider sleek concrete furniture. Pair it with comfortable cushions for added seating comfort. Ninth, durability. The furniture you choose should withstand the elements. Opt for weather-resistant materials and UV-protected fabrics. 10th, comfort. Sacrificing comfort for aesthetics won't do anyone any favors. Ensure your chairs offer good back support and comfortable seating. 11th, storage. Consider furniture with built-in storage for pizza tools, cushions, or throws. This helps keep your space organized and clutter-free. Now, let's delve into the world of design. Here are some key considerations when decorating your outdoor kitchen with a pizza oven. First, style cohesion. Ensure your outdoor decor complements the overall style of your home. Rustic brick ovens pair beautifully with natural textures and materials, while modern ovens can be accentuated with sleek lines and metallic accents. Second, functionality. Prioritize functionality alongside aesthetics. Consider built-in storage for pizza tools, prep space for dough making, and ample counter space for serving. Third, seating arrangements. Create a comfortable seating area for guests to relax and enjoy their pizzas. Opt for weather-resistant furniture that suits your style and space constraints. Fourth, lighting. String lights, lanterns, or strategically placed spotlights can create a magical ambience in the evenings. Now, let's spark your creativity with fantastic outdoor kitchen decor ideas featuring a pizza oven, Here these the compilation of top 10 best outdoor kitchen decor with pizza oven ideas. 1. Tuscan Paradise. Embrace the Italian spirit with terracotta pots overflowing with vibrant herbs, and a cascading wisteria vine framing the pizza oven. 2. Modern Marvel. For a sleek and sophisticated look, opt for a black stainless steel pizza oven paired with minimalist furniture and pops of contrasting color. 3. Rustic Retreat. Create a cozy atmosphere with natural stone countertops, rough-hewn wooden furniture, and a pizza oven adorned with climbing ivy. 4. Island Oasis. Maximize your space and create a focal point with a central island featuring a built-in pizza oven, prep space, and comfortable bar stools. 5. Bohemian Rhapsody. Introduce a touch of whimsy with brightly colored textiles, macrame wall hangings, and a Moroccan-style pendant lamp above the pizza oven. 6. Minimalist Muse. Keep things clean and streamlined with sleek furniture, a monochrome color palette, and a sleek, modern pizza oven. 7. Coastal Charm. Bring the beach vibes with wicker furniture, nautical accents, and a pizza oven clad in whitewashed stucco. 8. Global Fusion. Mix and match elements from different cultures. For example, pair a Japanese-inspired teppanyaki grill with a traditional Neapolitan wood-fired pizza oven. 9. Fireside Feasting. Create a truly inviting space by incorporating a cozy fire pit next to your pizza oven, perfect for enjoying your creations under the stars. 10. Herb Haven. Transform your outdoor kitchen into a culinary haven by flanking your pizza oven with raised garden beds overflowing with fresh herbs for your pizzas. With a little planning and creativity, you can transform your outdoor kitchen with a pizza oven into a stunning and functional entertaining haven. Remember, the key is to create a space that reflects your personal style and fosters memorable gatherings with loved ones. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your outdoor kitchen decor. For even more design inspiration, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for weekly design tips and tricks. We'd love to see your outdoor kitchen creations. Share your photos with us on social media using the hashtag Homes Decor Designs. Thank you for joining us today on Homes Decor Designs. We hope this video has inspired you to create your own outdoor kitchen masterpiece. Until next time, happy designing! Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.